Good morning. I am obsessed with this cashew coffee and I have to share the recipe with you guys. All you need is coffee, cashews, maple syrup, salt, and cinnamon. Blend it all up. This stuff is so good.
Hi guys, this is the easiest way to make the best iced coffee. Grab yourself a glass, fill it 3/4 of the way with ice and your chosen milk. Grab a mug, 2 teaspoons of coffee and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Please ignore my nails, we are in quarantine. Fill the mug up with a tiny bit of boiling water and stir. Transfer the contents into a plastic bottle and shake until you get the consistency like so. Pour it into the glass and enjoy. Please note, I do not condone the waste of plastic. Please wash the bottle and reuse it the next day.